Accelerate your assessment process by managing both assessments and candidate tracking in one seamless workflow. Juggling assessments separately from your applicant tracking system, or ATS, can slow down your hiring process and make candidate management a challenge. However, with ATS integration, you can synchronize assessment results and candidate data directly with your ATS. This not only saves time but also eliminates the need for manual data entry, leading to a more efficient recruitment process. To activate this feature, you'll need to go to the settings. From there, click on Integrations. This is where you can select the ATS that your organization uses. For example, if you're looking to integrate Greenhouse with VCP, you'll need to click on Generate API Key. Then, simply copy this API key and paste it into your ATS. The process for integrating with the ATS you use is similar. Say goodbye to switching between platforms and hello to a seamless, time-saving assessment experience. Are you ready to revolutionize your assessment workflow? Enable ATS integration on VCP today and make every hire count.